Fitness by Danielle, and I want to welcome you to the beginner HIIT series. I'm going to do a series on just beginner HIIT exercises. So if you are a true beginner, you're in the right spot. Let's get to it. All right, guys. First exercise, high knees. So if you have never done high knees in your life, basically all you're going to do is bring one knee up at a time. So you're going to try to get waist height. Okay, so you can either stay here, which is basically just a march, or you can actually go into the full high knees exercise. It's only for 20 seconds. All right, guys, so we're starting with high knees because we're going to activate our legs, biggest muscle groups down here. But we're also going to activate that core, which I know you're super excited about. So, high knees, 20 seconds. Let's go. So you want to try to get them up as high as you can. Okay? Remember, if you need to, take it down. All working at our own pace. All right, but you want to try to go hard for that 20 seconds. All right, guys, second exercise, we are going to do squats. So this is a very, very simple movement, but you do need to know the proper form. So you need your weight back in your heels. I want you to keep your chest up. So we're focusing mainly on legs, glutes, core is tight. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. So just like you're sitting in a chair, back, and then when you come up, I want you to squeeze everything, okay? Very important. All right, so we got 20 seconds, just body weight squats. All right, guys, get those timers started, and here we go. Back, squeeze. Good. So, full range of motion. Good. Nice job, guys. Try to get a few more. It's okay to take it nice and slow. Just starting out. Good. One more. Nice. All right, guys, exercise number 3. I think we all pretty much know this exercise from PE class, but if you don't, simple jumping jack, okay? So I want you to reach all the way up overhead, all the way back down. So, Good. If you need to modify, tap, 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 okay? Ready? Set those timers. Here we go. It's up. Good. Nice job. Good. Keep those arms straight. And remember, you're trying to get as many as possible in that 20 seconds. That's what HIIT is, full, maximum effort. Okay? Good. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, fourth and last exercise. A little challenging, but you can do this. With a little bit of practice, I promise you, you will be great at push-ups. Okay? It just takes a little bit of practice. So, we are going to come down into a plank position. I want your hands right underneath those shoulders, okay? And then I want that core nice and tight. So do not sag and do not bring that bum up into the air, all right? So good plank position. All you're going to do is lower down, chest, and back up. I'm going to show you from the side. So now, same thing. Hands right underneath those shoulders, core is tight. You're gonna lower down, press back up. All right, guys, let's get those timers started. Remember, if you need an extra modification, it is totally fine to leave those knees on the ground. Okay, so what I suggest that you do is start up on those toes first. Make sure everything's in line. Then all you're gonna do is drop down to those knees. Okay? Same thing, down and up. All right, guys. You got 20 seconds. Ready? Let's go. So down and up. Full extension. Squeeze. Pull those abs tight. Good, a few more. You can do some on your toes and some on your knees. All right, 2 more. Good work. Nice. All right, guys, now that we have gone through the exercises and I've explained the form, we're gonna do the entire workout together. So if you don't have a timer, I use Gym Boss. It's an app that you can just download on your phone. It's free. So go ahead and set it up for that 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds rest. I always do like a 10-second countdown just so I can gather myself. So counting down. All right, 5 seconds. We're gonna do high knees. Ready? 3, 2, let's go. Those knees up. Remember, there's not reps, we're not counting reps, okay? Going at your own pace. Good. Good. All right, nice job. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. We're gonna go into squats next. So I just put my hands here and sit back, squeeze. Good. Nice job. So you can hear that I'm a little bit out of breath. That's good. Means you're working. Nice job. One more. Good. All right, jumping jacks. Shake it out a little bit. You got 10 seconds. All right, guys, arms up. Good. Nice. Good job. 10 seconds left. Remember, this is your workout. Go at your own pace. Good. All right, last one. Push-ups. I'm gonna turn to the side just so you can see me. Down and up. Squeeze. Make sure that core is engaged. Remember, it's okay to drop down to your knees if you need to. Good. You did it! Congratulations! Your very first HIIT workout. All right, good job. Great job, you guys. Thank you for working out with me. Thank you for watching. And please share with anybody that you think might be interested in learning a little bit of HIIT. Stay tuned for the next video, so make sure you subscribe so you get notified. All right, guys, have a great day.